The OnePlus 13, the company's current flagship Android smartphone that launched globally in January, is now available with one of the most attractive deals we've seen in 2025, because not only is it getting a massive $150 discount, but buyers are also receiving a free gift worth up to $99, making this a perfect time to upgrade if you've been waiting. And in the United States, the OnePlus 13 comes in two premium configurations. The 12 gigabytes RAM with 256 gigabyte storage model, originally priced at $899, and the 16 gigabytes RAM with 512 gigabyte storage model priced at $999. But thanks to this limited time offer, both models are now $150 cheaper, dropping the prices to $749 and $849 respectively. And if that wasn't exciting enough, OnePlus is also including a bonus gift at no additional cost, allowing buyers to choose between a sleek with grain magnetic half-pack case valued at $39.99, or the much more desirable OnePlus Buds 3 True Wireless Earbuds worth $99, adding incredible value to an already powerful flagship. And while OnePlus has not revealed the end date for this sale, it is currently live exclusively on the official OnePlus website. So if you're interested, now is the right time to act, because deals like this do not usually last long, especially when combined with free premium accessories. And speaking of the device itself, the OnePlus 13 is an absolute powerhouse, featuring a stunning 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a 1440 by 3168 resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for gamers, streamers, and anyone who loves vibrant visuals. And under the hood, it is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-tier performance across apps, multitasking, and gaming. And for photography lovers, the OnePlus 13 shines with its triple 50MP rear camera system, offering detailed shots, incredible low-light performance, and versatility for ultra-wide and telephoto needs, while the 32MP selfie camera ensures crystal-clear front-facing captures, perfect for video calls, selfies, or content creation. And battery life is no less impressive, with a 6,000 milliamp hours battery that supports 100W ultra-fast charging, meaning you can go from nearly empty to full in record time, making charging anxiety a thing of the past. And with these premium specs, OnePlus has made sure the 13 remains one of the most competitive flagship smartphones in the market, even as rumors of its successor start to surface. And yes, the OnePlus 15 is already making headlines. Rumored to launch in China this October with a global release in early 2026, expected to feature a 165 Hz refresh rate display, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, a larger 7,000 milliamp hours battery, and an all-new design language. But until then, the OnePlus 13 remains the brand's most powerful offering, and at this discounted price with a free accessory, it's arguably one of the best value flagships of the year, giving buyers cutting-edge specs, premium build quality, and future-ready performance at a price that undercuts many competitors like Samsung and Apple. So if you are considering upgrading your device or jumping into the flagship Android ecosystem, the OnePlus 13 deal should definitely be at the top of your list. And since the company has not mentioned how long the offer will last, the safest move is to grab it right away before stocks or free gifts run out, because once it's gone, and we'll continue to monitor if OnePlus extends this deal or adds even more surprises in the coming weeks. But for now, the combination of a $150 discount plus free OnePlus Buds 3 worth $99 makes this a flagship deal that's hard to ignore. And that's all for today's update. Stay tuned for more exciting smartphone news and leaks right here on TechVerse.